types of cases I hear in the General Sessions Civil Court include landlord-tenant cases such as eviction, debt collection cases such as credit card cases, emergency mental health commitment cases such as the police pick someone up because they're walking around nude. They have to have a judge hear those types of cases before the person can be evaluated at a mental health facility. Judge Frulla, what types of cases do you hear in circuit court?
Sure, we hear a lot of the similar types of cases, but some of the cases that we hear that are a little different, we have a lot of family law. That's kind of the general term we use for divorce cases. We have medical malpractice, bigger personal injury cases, breach of contract, construction defects, really anything civil outside of bankruptcy, which obviously we know has its own court.
So you mentioned cases such as medical malpractice. We wouldn't hear those types of cases down in General Sessions because the maximum jurisdiction in my courtroom is $25,000. What about circuit court?
Sure, they describe circuit court as a court of unlimited jurisdiction. You can get an award of $10 or $10 million. And I think a big difference that we both know exists is that in your court, you're the trier of the fact. You are the jury and the judge. In circuit court, sometimes I'm the jury and the judge, but sometimes we have exclusively jury trials where the jury's the one making the decisions.
Yes, and so that's one of the reasons why in General Sessions Court, the cases go a lot faster than they would in circuit court because we do not have any juries. If you have a trial set in my courtroom, you're going to get a verdict that same day.
Right, whereas in circuit court, we have a process called discovery, where the sides get to exchange information, take depositions, which would be sworn statements of parties or witnesses, and so the cases take longer to evolve, and especially jury cases, because each side wants to have everything they need to present their case to a jury, and then the jury process itself is a lot lengthier.
Yes, and in our courtroom, they kind of call us the rocket docket because, again, there is no jury, there's only the judge that hears the cases. So there's not a whole lot of discovery that goes on. We do have some litigants that file motions, but typically the trial is heard that same day.
That's right. So whereas Judge Ingram may have 100 cases a day or more, that's not going to be the case in circuit court. We do have some days with high volume, but ordinarily if we're hearing a case on the merits, meaning we're at the final hearing or the trial, that one case may take the entire day or the entire week.
So Judge Frulla, why do you think some attorneys or some litigants will file a case in circuit court as opposed to filing it in General Sessions?
Sure. I think if it's a case where the lawyers or the parties involved know that they need discovery and they need potentially a recovery of more than $25,000, then they escape those limits of General Sessions and file in circuit so they can go through the deposition, discovery process, and then, the jury trial, obviously. But obviously your court has a high need, a high volume of cases are there, so it certainly has its place within the justice system, obviously.
Agreed. And this is Inside General Sessions Civil Court. We would love for you to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.